It's pouring rain now. I just shut the camera off. I wanted to get that shot. It is pouring rain. And it's blue sky over here. Blue sky. Pouring rain, you know what I mean? Oh, man. A heart right there. Lovely heart for you. Whoa, 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 whoa. I gotta get... Put that cart back where it belongs. Take it back inside. What the hell's the matter with you? That's very inconsiderate, considering it's dumping rain down in buckets. Out of one cloud. Out of one cloud. Well, at least this neighborhood's getting some rain. Yes. What the heck is going on over here? What's going on over there? Mosquito bites? I got bit up earlier. Oh, dang. I'm going to have to rescue somebody who's inside this building. Now, folks, what do you think about these darkened windows everywhere? All these black windows. Do you really think they should be legal? I mean, you can't communicate at stop lines and red lights and intersections at all. It's amazing. Whoa. Get in there! Get in there, old tight spandex. There's some wet spandex going. That's definitely going to be some tight, wet spandex going on in there. If I was wearing that, I'd be arrested. So don't even talk about it. Let's get another shot. This head right up here. Look at that. Look at that. Jeez. I gotta turn the window back out. How's she gonna get out here? I'm gonna have to drive right up to the door. Oh, dang. Oh. And there ain't no wind with this one. Like the other day. A little tiny breeze moving. That's what I need, one of them umbrellas. I could try one of them out sometime, one of them dang umbrellas, you know what I mean? What kind that is? That'll... What the hell is this one's giving me hand motions? What's going on here? Oh, she's motioning. What the heck is going on here? I better lock my car. There we go. Run there, buddy. Go, buddy. Go. What the heck is going on here? I've never seen anything like this. It must be the one-eyed farmers up to no good. Them dang one-eyed farmers are up to no... The girl just did a somersault in the rain. This little girl just did a somersault in the rain. She got the parent right there. She's behind her. She ducked behind the wall. She just did a cartwheel in the rain on the pavement. They ain't gonna believe me now. She's tucked right behind there where that guy is. Cartwheel in the rain like nothing to it. Yeah, see. She's getting ready to do another one. She's right there. See the hands clapping? Oh, dang. You're using up my film. Great. She's got her arm sticking out behind those pipes. I'm serious. Run, buddy, run! Run! You got free ration. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I gotta... That's the mosquito bite woman. She had mosquito bites real bad. There's the kid doing cartwheels right there. I told you the kid's doing cartwheels in the rain. What the heck is going... Thanks for doing that. They'd have never believed me. Do another one. This kid's doing cartwheels in the rain. The whole ground is wet there. Can I do them inside the store, Dad? Going inside the store to do cartwheels now. On that grass clump. Oh, never mind. What the heck is happening here? Real quick. Let's see what we got. Alright, that's enough. I'm soaked. I thought I was naked. What the heck is sticking out? Something's sticking out over here. What the heck is that? Something protruding over there. Ah, it's a. What the heck is that? I thought it was an ass. Never mind. Whoa! This is coming down. Where is it coming from when the sky is blue? Doodly 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 doo. Get in there, buddy. It's your turn. Got it. I got it. Heck, man. My lady just went in the store to get some kefir vegan yogurt. Oh man. She says, is it going to be dangerous? I don't think it's going to be dangerous. I'll drop you off at the door. I did. I gotta figure out how to get her back out of here. Blue sky now. You see the blue sky? Look at this. Let's turn this off momentarily. Yeah. It is pouring. It's blue sky up there though, folks. You can see that. Yeah. Whoa. It's all blue over here. And it is pouring rain. Pouring rain. You can see that. Wow. You see that? Alright, they gotta get back inside again. It's clearing up now. It should be clearing up any minute now. I'm just gonna set it right up here. Dave, do you want me to help you? Look at that. It's a monstrosity there. Good shit. Look at this. Whoa. Closer up. Whoa, what's going on in there? Demons and angels are having a party. You see that right there? Demons and angels are having a party right there. Ah. Uh-oh. Oh, look at the size of this here. Hold on. I'll be back. Dave, get out and get the shot. Alright, I'm getting out to get the shot. Not that shot. Get the. Get out. I gotta get out of here. Locked in the car here. There we go. I told you everything would be fine. It's all gonna stop now. Look at that. We got clear blue skies. Clear blue skies now. Check it out. Check it out. You see all that for. What was that all about, you know? And there we go. Everything's alright now. I fixed it. There we go. Right down in there. Jeez. Jet trail profit on duty. Look at that thing right there. Marie White, check it out. She should be able to get out on her own now. Yeah. Alright. Back here. What a weird little storm, eh? That's where the jet trails poked their farts right through there. You can see that. Alright, I'm out of here. Oh, that's the girl that was doing the cartwheels in the rain. Right there. Did you see all that rain? I saw you doing cartwheels in the rain. Yeah. That was great. Yeah. Oh, look at the birds. Look at the birds. Yeah, I took a time lapse of the whole thing. My lady went in the store and I said, this is great, because I got a sky watching YouTube channel. So yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, so that's one of my channels anyway. So I said, this is right on time. So, and it's like the other night, but this is more brilliant. This was more big and compact than the other night, but these weird pancake things have been happening where they stir up in small areas, but this one really dumped.
Yeah, it really did. You could hear it on the tin roof.
Yeah.
That was cool.
We need the rain too. We're supposed to get more on Thursday.
Right.
We're gonna find the rain.
That was great. Yeah. All right. There's a little rainbow just fading. The catapult girl just showed me. Look at that. But it's all blue over here. These are going to turn pink next. These here.
Oh yeah.
They're going to turn pink. They're going to catch the last bit. They might get hot pink. I'm not sure yet.
So pretty.
Hey, you know the Limerick Towers? You know the Limerick Tower smoke?
Oh, Limerick, yeah.
That forms that junk every night, and if the sun's right behind it, it turns all pink and purple.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. All right, let's catch the final shots. Check this here. And go around here. And that. Huh? Oh yeah, I watched the whole thing. Yeah, I watched the whole thing. Look at that. Yeah. Alright. There we have it. Alright, I'm out of here now. Alright, here's the final shot, and then I'm going to get out of here. This is magnificent. Just magnificent. Magnificent. There we have it. Alright. Final shot. Boom. And the other debris. There we have it. The sky is blue. We are leaving. This is the opposite side of the sun, and there's some brilliant reflection going on here. There we have it.